How's everybody doing? Welcome back to Diva Styles. So you guys, in this video I wanted to show you how I created these little pieces right here, these little jewelry components. As you know, you can use these at the top of your earrings as well as these, and these are very cute. I mean, they do jazz up your jewelry a lot, but if you add these to every pair of earrings, like, it could be costly, and you'd pretty much have to like raise the prices of your earrings and stuff, because these things cost and they run out like super quick. So I found a way to create my own. You can either use these as components, or you can just keep them as singles like that. I think that's super cute. Paint them, put glitter on them, whatever. But you guys, look at that. I think it turned out so cute. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Alright you guys, so these are my Biggie Bees. This is what they look like. I'm going to put these on like a cookie sheet, preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and pretty much melt them down for about 30-40 minutes, and they should be nice and flat. Alright, so as you can see, they're all melted down. They came out pretty much perfect. So what I'm going to do now is take some E6000 and some of these little ear posts, and I'm going to go ahead and glue these to the back of it and leave them to dry.